It was just before dawn when I unzipped my tent. The forest was still wrapped in silence, the mist hanging low like a secret. Everything felt untouched, raw. I stood up, stretched, and took in the morning air. But I wasn't worried about breakfast or charging my phone or swatting mosquitoes. This time I came prepared, with a few game-changing gadgets that completely reshaped how I experienced the wild. Hit the next generation of fire with the Bolite Camp Stove 2+. A portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity, so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Featuring a patented thermoelectric design and an integrated onboard battery, you can turn your fire into power in real time or store your electricity for whenever you need it. The LED interface provides instant feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Use the included flex light to illuminate your nighttime cooking with accurate color render technology and integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen. And anytime you go off the grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Bolite Camp Stove 2+, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem. This is the LifeStraw Go. It can go here, 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 every day and on your favorite adventures. You can fill it up with water from here, here, or here, and filter it on the go. Drinking water straight from these sources sounds risky. It's not. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water to millions here and just put it here. The LifeStraw Go is available in 22-ounce and 1-liter sizes. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that trap bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. Then an activated carbon filter absorbs chemicals like chlorine, herbicides, and pesticides for improved taste. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons, and the activated carbon filter lasts up to 26 gallons. So the detachable, replaceable filters allow you to use your bottle indefinitely, carabiner included. This lightweight, durable, BPA-free Triton Classic bottle is the only bottle you'll need when you're on the go. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw. As the sun dipped and shadows grew longer, it was time to light up camp. I reached into my bag and pulled out the Luminade solar lantern. Flat, lightweight, and barely noticeable until I inflated it. Just a few breaths, and it turned into a glowing cube of soft, ambient light. This thing charges entirely with solar power. I'd strapped it to my backpack during the hike, and by evening, it had soaked up enough juice for the whole night. No batteries, no cables, just light when you need it. And it's waterproof, even floats if it falls into water. It has multiple brightness settings, lasts up to 24 hours on a single charge, and packs down to the size of a small sandwich. Around camp, it replaced flashlights, headlamps, and even firelight. It gave the space a warm, safe glow, and somehow made the forest feel less intimidating. No matter where you go in the great outdoors, there's one thing you're bound to encounter: mosquitoes. Citronella candles and torches don't seem to work, and sprays are just unpleasant. But Thermosel mosquito repellents surround you with a 15-foot zone of scent-free mosquito protection. Like all Thermosel fuel and mat repellents, our portable repellents use a 12-hour fuel cartridge and blue heat-activated repellent mats. Here's how easy they are to use. Remove the cover from the repeller handle. Remove the cap from a fuel cartridge. Thread the cartridge clockwise into place and pop the cover back on. Slide the blue repellent mat into place. Turn the switch to the on position and wait a few seconds. Press the start button until it clicks. It helps to click start several times in quick succession. Finally, check the view window for an orange or blue glow. The heat generated by the fuel cartridge is directed to the mat, activating the repellent. After a few minutes, the heat disperses the repellent, creating a zone of mosquito protection. Each mat lasts up to 4 hours. When the blue mat turns white, simply replace it with a fresh one. Be sure to place the repeller in the center of the area you want to protect. After a while, if you notice mosquitoes coming back, check for the orange glow in the view window. Check the fuel level and that the mat has some blue color left, so say goodbye to lotions, sprays, candles, and torches. With Thermosel repellents, there's no scent and no open flame. Just an invisible, silent 15-foot zone of mosquito protection. Thermosel stands by our products and their effectiveness with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Thermosel. Turn it on. Mosquitoes gone. This is the Bolite Headlamp 425, the next generation of our award-winning USB rechargeable headlamp that is wildly capable and so comfortable you forget you're wearing it. This 78-gram headlamp packs 425 lumens of ultra-bright light into an ultra-thin front lens. Patented 3D slim fit construction takes everything traditionally wrong with a headlamp and fixes it. By integrating the electronics directly into the band, you get a well-balanced light that doesn't slip, won't bounce, and keeps you cool and dry. The easy access power button on the front moves you through 5 modes, dims your light, and tilts easily, all with one hand. The USB-C power source on the back features an integrated red light with solid and strobe options for added visibility. Reserve mode alerts you to when the battery is running low and provides 1 hour of backup illumination, while pass-through charging allows you to connect to an external power source and extend your run times instantly. The weather-resistant rating means your light is ready to handle those rainy hikes, runs, and unexpected downpours. All of these features are packed into a headlamp that feels like you have nothing on at all, allowing you to focus on the task or adventure at hand. With run times of up to 60 hours on a single charge, you can ditch the battery swaps and power up with the Bolite energy ecosystem. And when you buy Bolite gear, you're not only getting precision engineering and design for yourself, you're also helping us build a future of efficient renewable energy for everyone seeking power beyond the grid. Discover a headlamp that feels great, stays put, and gets the job done wherever you may be. That's the Headlamp 425 from Bolite. And that wraps up our look at some of the best camping gadgets to make your next outdoor adventure more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more gear reviews and camping tips. Got a favorite camping gadget we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear what's in your pack. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.